Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into fascinating stories from history. In today's episode, we're going to uncover a legendary tale that emerged from the chaos of World War II. Join us as we explore the Americans' attempt to find Yamashita's gold. During World War II, the United States found itself engaged in a massive conflict across the Pacific. As American forces pushed back the Japanese, rumors began to circulate among the soldiers about a hidden treasure amassed by General Tomoyuki Yamashita. This legendary treasure, known as Yamashita's gold, was said to be an enormous fortune in looted gold, precious gemstones, and other valuable artifacts. The tales of this hidden wealth captivated the imaginations of American soldiers stationed in the Philippines. The stories of Yamashita's gold emerged as the war came to an end. Many believed that the treasure could provide restitution for the victims of Japanese atrocities or aid in the post-war rebuilding efforts. American soldiers stationed in the Philippines heard whispers of secret tunnels, hidden vaults, and meticulously planned concealment methods used by the Japanese to safeguard the treasure. After the war, a wave of treasure hunters and adventurers, including some American servicemen, dedicated themselves to finding Yamashita's gold. Armed with tales of hidden maps, cryptic clues, and first-hand accounts, they set out on expeditions throughout the Philippines and other Southeast Asian countries. These searches were not without challenges. The dense jungles, treacherous terrain, and the lack of verifiable information made the hunt for the treasure an arduous task. Yet, driven by the allure of unimaginable wealth, these brave adventurers pressed on. We combed through historical records, interviewed locals, and utilized state-of-the-art technology to scan the landscape for any signs of hidden treasures. It was like piecing together a puzzle with missing pieces. While we didn't find the legendary hoard, we did uncover fascinating artifacts, remnants of the war, and glimpses into the lives of those who fought in the Pacific theater. The search for Yamashita's gold continues to captivate the minds of adventurers and historians. Though the treasure itself remains elusive, the pursuit has shed light on the complex and multifaceted history of World War II in the Pacific. That's all for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing stories from the annals of history. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep seeking the truth.